friends from LIU Brooklyn. We're now entering Manhattan side. As you see, there's no lights because the power's out due to the mayor and because of Hurricane Sandy.
It's dark outside, hurricane type shit with algae. Yeah,
Coming to Brooklyn Bridge.
We crazy for this though, fam.
Yes.
Us
Shit's
chilling,
turn up.
about to turn up in a halfway.
Like in Warsaw.
You can't even see it.
Statue of Liberty.
Where is she? Yeah, she drowned.
Swallowed a nice one.
At the top of the sun.
Flooded.
Everything flooded. No, it's deserted. New York is never this deserted. It's a Hurricane Sandy. You crazy? Look at this.
Oh!
What time is? What's today? It's 10:29. 9:48. Oh, it's just crazy out here. See you later.
Yeah, scared.
I'm cut.